there. What is this? This is the Horiba electrode using for DO, dissolved oxygen. So now I'll show you this. This is the manual book. This side for the Korean language, this side for the English language for the people who can speak English, right? Correct? I will show you. This is the certificate. Okay, certificate here. And this is the sensor. First you need to wear your hand gloves. We are using this new dissolved oxygen sensor. So first you need to wear your hand gloves. This is the instruction box. You read here. And what's called this one? The first one is the protective tube. This one membrane, DO tip, O-ring inside, and short socket. And how to open this one? Mounting procedure. All this one you need to disconnect. This is the holder. This is the DO tip. This is the protective cap. Okay, this one the connectivity. Sorry, DO, and you need to open from here. And now you can see everything here. So this is the main connectivity. You can remove from here. This you can see now. Okay, so this one no need to remove. This is the main DO tip, and this is the O-ring. Even you can remove. See, but this one you need to put here. This is the this one big size, small size, big size, small size, small pin and big pin. You can put here, push. Need to clean first. So now we will go and fix inside the sensor outside. Let's see there. Okay, now we came to the field and look at the sensor. Is too much dirty because it's outside in the water. So look, now it's clean already, and we are cleaning more. This is the base, and this is the old DO conductor, old DO dissolved oxygen sensor. So already this one damage we remove, and see inside there is a 2 hole, and to put 2 pin sensor. One is like a thick, one is like a thin. So we will put here. Look at the sensor. We are cleaning very well first, and once it clean, everything will be fine, and then we will dry it because we need to remove all water by air blower. So inside everywhere is clean. So almost is ready. Okay, we dry it through the cloth and also clean. So this is the new sensor. We will open now, and already open, but just to remove the protective cap. And once we remove the protective cap and this new sensor, DO sensor, we will insert in the base of the main incomer, and then we will cover totally, but very be careful with the safety. So look at the air blower. Now we are cleaning very well from here. Once it dries totally inside the pin, everything, every area, once it dries totally, then we will insert the DO, and once we insert and we fix, then look at now the sensor we are fixing. Just remove the protective cap, but be careful, there is a one thick side, one thin side. You need to be very careful when you are inserting to the same holes, for the thick hole to put the thick side of the DO, and thin side to the thin hole of the DO. So just be careful about this one, and once it tight very well, so you will put the protective covers, everything. Now this is the DO dissolve oxygen. We will open here. Look here, we will switch on the breaker. One, switch on the breaker. How much 11.4. 12, 11. Temperature is 26. Still increasing. It's going to be okay now. 12.57 is correct now. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.